channel.
Well, the lights go out in 55 seconds in Studio B, and then there's this before that. Call it the Double D dupe. Police in Rome on the lookout for a woman with a very large chest. We won't show it, don't worry. Investigators say an Italian woman had her breasts surgically pumped up to the biggest silicone implants available. Then she skipped out on the $9,000 bill. This is much like going to the restaurant and leaving without paying, but it's different, you know. Police say although they have very few leads, they're hoping the woman's unusually large bra size does her in. Neil will be keeping us abreast of this and all the rest of the day's news. His line, cheesy yes, stolen indeed. Hello, Neil.
I think they were just milking that story for all it was worth, you know? I don't know. I'm going to leave it at that, Shep. All right, the emails are coming. The emails are coming.
Oh, no.
All right. And you thought things got hot and heavy yesterday discussing the late Dr. Atkins.